everyone! Today we are going to make a sailboat model with you. But before starting, I want to ask a question to you. Have you heard about Archimedes' principle? Archimedes' principle explains that while an object swimming in a fluid, it's pushed up with a force. This force is called as lifting force of water. This force occurs from difference between densities, and lifting force of water makes sailboats to swim. Now, if you are ready, we can start designing our sailboat to sail. Before starting, there are two rules that I have to apply. First of all, I have to tidy my hair up. After that, I have to put my goggles on. Now, I'm ready to start. As you see, all the materials that we need for this model are available in our kit. These are wooden cylinders, guide pieces, body parts, and wicker rope. Before starting, I want to show difference between two sides of cylinder. As you see, one of the sides has a circle and the other one has square on it. While putting a cylinder onto the lathe, the side which has square will fit on that point, the other side will fit on that point. Before starting, I want to show difference between two sides of cylinder. As you see, one of the sides has a circle and the other one has square on it. While putting the cylinder onto the lathe, the side which has square on will fit on that point and the other side will fit on that point. After placing the cylinder, you can lock it by turning lathe's arm on clockwise. To unlock the cylinder, you should turn lathe's arm on counterclockwise. When you unlock the cylinder, you can take it out easily. As you see, there is an arrow on the shaper pen. This arrow should always point up. Shaper pen should be perpendicular to the metal part. While shaping our cylinders, movements should be short. We will touch and pull back. We will touch and pull back. We will shape our cylinders with these short movements. First, we will start shaping our first cylinder, but before shaping, we will use this guide to draw reference lines. I'm drawing lines at the end of the curves. Now I'm ready to start. We finished our shaping process. As you see, there are little particles on the surface. We will clean them with sandpaper. Now our surface is more smooth. It's time to check with the guides. As you see, it looks nice. Now we can continue with the second one. Again, we will draw guidelines for next model. I'm drawing my reference line at the end of the curve. Now we can start. Again, we will clean the surface with the sandpaper. We can check it with the guides. As you see, it fits perfectly. Now we will repeat same process for third one. Before start shaping process for third cylinder, we should draw reference lines. Now we can start shaping. We finished shaping process. Now it's time to clean surface with sandpaper. Now we can check our model with guides. As you see, it looks nice. Now we can go on with fourth one. Now it's time to design our fourth cylinder, but we don't need to draw any reference lines. Just we want to see how the line is going, and we will create it by shaping. Now our shaping process is finished. It's time to clean the surface by using sandpaper. Our shaping process is finished. Now it's time to check with the guides. As you see, it fits perfectly. Now it's time to clean our lathe. We will use vacuum cleaner for cleaning. We designed our cylinders. Now it's time to put the parts together. For assembly, we will use hot glue. First of all, I want to put the base part on these cylinders. We will put little bit hot glue here. And also this one. And we will put base parts on the cylinders. And we press a little bit. Our base part is ready now. It's time to stick body pieces together. And we will use a little bit hot glue again. And we will put second cylinder on the first one. And it's time to stick wing on the body. Now, as you see, we have base part and body part. It's time to put body part on basement. As you see, our sailboat model is ready, but we need rope while we are sailing. So I want to stick on the base part. First of all, I want to put a little bit hot glue here. finally, our sailboat model is done. Today we built our sailboat model. Now it's time to sail. See you soon!